Hey guys, Joe with Carmil Car, and today we got a new desk. So let's go have some fun with the old one. Oh, you just cut away. We built this desk for this shop. We decided to upgrade and provide you with a little bit smoother experience. But to get this out of the shop, well, we kind of have to break it because we built it inside of the shop. It won't fit through the door, so we're gonna have some fun tearing it apart.
That's basically how it is.
As you can hear over that, the desk is now out of the building and we're going to be putting up the new desk. Here's a time lapse and hopefully see the new desk not only in the video but in person. I'm going to go in here, I'm going to let them do their thing. I ain't going to touch it. And here it is, the desk. It's got all the neon lights on it. It's got the cool little logo here. I mean, this thing just looks so much better than the last one. And we have two stations up here to provide you with a little bit smoother experience. And this does change as far as color-wise. So if you want to rave, go right ahead. Probably not, but definitely excited for you guys to see this in person because video just doesn't do it justice. Make sure to follow us on social media, stay up to date so you can see all the cool things that we're doing, whether it's destroying desks and building new ones or putting remote starts in, subs, systems, you get it. You've been here before. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. I'll see you.